Cholar Dal or Chana Dal or split husked Bengal Gram is a family favorite. I have cooked Cholar Dal in all the combinations one can think of, with veggies, with meat, and even as desserts. This is primarily because Mr. S is an ardent Chana Dal fan. This dish, Cholar Dal Er Kalia, is very different in terms of the ingredients that go into this dal. So let's make Cholar Dal Er Kalia. Pressure cook cleaned and soaked for at least an hour cholar dal after adding turmeric and salt. Chop the paneer into small cubes and fry them lightly. Fry coconut pieces, cashew nuts and kishmish. Take oil in a pan, add cumin seeds, add chopped ginger and chopped green chillies. Add pan roasted cumin and coriander powder, mix well. Add crushed red chilli. Add the chola dal back into the pan. Add the kaju, kishmish and coconut followed by the paneer cubes. Grind cashews with yogurt and milk. Add it to the chola dal. Check for seasoning and add sugar. Finish off with a tempering of bay leaves and dry red chillies in ghee. For detailed recipe, please check the caption below. If you are enjoying these recipes, then follow that one dish.